don't want to wait much longer.
My name's Katie.
Well, your middle name's Jessica, and you know I like to call you Jessica. So, Katie, Jessica, when is your boyfriend going to get here? I really want to go. I'm hungry.
He's late again.
Why is he always late? He's not a very good boyfriend if he's always late.
Well, I don't know. Maybe he's late because he went to get a new car. I don't know.
Oh my God!
Wait,
really?
a car wash. Yeah, a
He
car.
got a new car?
Yeah.
Okay. I hear a car. Is that him?
What? Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, that's the coolest car Woohoo! Do we get to go for a ride in it? Oh my
Obviously
gosh,
does.
look at it. Hey Brendan, how's it going? Why are you late? You're always late.
Oh, no idea.
But I love your car.
No.
I'm going to sit in the front.
No, you need a car seat. Does she need a car seat?
Oh my gosh,
Oh, no.
I'm 7. I don't need a car seat.
I'm sitting next to my boyfriend, okay?
Oh my gosh, you're such a lame older sister. Mom would totally let me sit in the front seat.
Oh, really?
Well, you know, you better be nice to me, or
Oh, no,
I'm going to
I
tell
forgot
Mom.
my stuff.
I'm going to tell Mom that we're going for a joyride in your boyfriend's 56 Cadillac.
Yep, you're right. It was $56 million.
Ha 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 ha. This isn't really yours, is it, Brendan?
Definitely.
Because it doesn't look like the type of car that a 17-year-old Cocker Spaniel would have.
I'm not a Cocker Spaniel. I'm a Collie.
Okay, well, are we going to get going? I'm hungry. Let's go to the
Wait,
restaurant.
no. I have to fix the engines.
Oh, okay. Is the engine broken?
I don't know. Really? I'm like, really?
Did you break the trunk, the front thing?
Just don't tell my grandparents, okay? Now let's go.
Don't we have to put some stuff in the back seat? Oh, you already put stuff in the back seat. Okay. So let's go. I think the car's broken, Brendan.
No, it's not broken.
Dude, you're in deep trouble. Oh,
Okay,
good. Okay.
Hey, did you lose an earring?
Yeah?
No, I didn't lose an earring.
Okay.
So, how are you doing? I'm doing just fine. We're
Did
here.
you just crash the car? Did you hear that big bump? I think you know what, Brendan? I think you need to get some driving lessons, dude. I'm totally telling your mom.
I'm 18. I can drive.
I thought you were 17.
Dude, we're in high school.
Yeah. So, I'm totally telling your mom that you're crashing
Are
the
you
car
a
and
boy or
breaking
a
it.
girl?
What do you think I am? Look at my cute face. I'm a boy.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm good. So, you guys.
Wait,
can
I'm
I sit in the
driving,
middle? I want to sit in the
okay.
middle.
No.
I want to sit in the middle of the three of you. Hold on, you're not driving. We're parked. And you just crashed into the wall.
Nope, we gotta turn around. Okay.
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 Okay. Okay, we arrived at the restaurant. Hey, dude. Do you have some pizza, Pizza Cat?
Maybe not.
I want some pizza. Give me some pizza! And I want some corn! Give me some corn! I need some corn right now! I need corn!
This is supposed to be a luxury. Now get back
I
in.
don't care if it's luxury, I need corn!
Now get back in that car.
I
You're
need
banned from this
some
restaurant.
corn. You're saying a luxury restaurant doesn't have corn?
Are you on drugs or something? Are you addicted to drugs or something?
I said corn!
Sorry, we don't have corn at this restaurant.
Well, what do you have, buddy?
Then go to Corny's.
What do you have? I want to
Play
eat.
Greg's Roll, then go to Corny's.
I want to eat. What do you have?
We have kibble, clothes and water and dog poop.
Ew, dude, I'm out of here, man. I'm not going to a dog poop restaurant. Come on, you guys. We're just gonna leave hungry. I know. Don't eat the dog poop. Don't eat the dog poop. Okay. Bye. I'm gonna sit in the middle of the front. Okay.
No,
Until the
guys,
next installment.
we paid $1 million for this. Really, guys?
Until the next installment.